Maintain healthy lawn requires knowing the best time to overseed. Proper overseeding rejuvenates thin areas, promotes dense growth, and helps prevent weeds. Homeowners are increasingly seeking easy-to-use solutions that combine grass seed. Listen. The Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair is perfect for homeowners looking to repair bare spots quickly. This all-in-one product combines grass seed, mulch, and fertilizer, creating an ideal environment for rapid germination. The seed mixture is designed for both sun and shade areas, making it versatile for most yard conditions. Applying the mulch helps retain moisture and protects seeds from birds and erosion. Many users report seeing new grass within 7 to 10 days. It's simple to use. Just sprinkle over bare spots, water, and watch your lawn fill in. Ideal for small patches or repair work after pet damage or foot traffic, this product makes overseeding effortless and effective. List 2. The Scott's Turf Builder Sun and Shade Mix is designed to give your lawn long-lasting green coverage. It combines premium grass seed with fertilizer and soil improver, ensuring the soil is nutrient-rich for quick germination and strong root development. The seed blend thrives in both sun and shade, providing uniform growth across diverse yard areas. It's particularly effective for filling in thin spots and strengthening existing grass. Users appreciate the easy-to-apply formula and noticeable results in as little as 2 weeks. With consistent watering and care, this mix delivers a durable, dense lawn that resists weeds and drought, making it a top choice for spring or fall overseeding. List 3. The Scott's Liquid Green Max is a liquid fertilizer with iron, designed for rapid greening and overall lawn health. While it doesn't include seed, it's an excellent companion product for overseeding because it promotes strong growth and supports new seedlings. The 2-in-1 formula enhances chlorophyll production, giving the lawn a lush, deep green color while reinforcing the soil's nutrient levels. Easy to apply with a hose-end sprayer. It covers up to 2,000 square feet, making it suitable for small to medium yards. Combining this liquid fertilizer with grass seed ensures faster establishment and healthier turf. It's particularly recommended when overseeding in spring or fall for optimal growth. List number. For homeowners wanting durable, thick grass, the tall fescue mix is a top option. This product blends high-quality, tall fescue seeds with fertilizer for rapid germination and strong roots. Tall fescue is known for its drought tolerance and adaptability to sun and partial shade, making it ideal for variable lawn conditions. The fertilizer component strengthens the new grass and supports the existing lawn during overseeding. Easy to apply, this mix helps repair thinning areas while enhancing overall lawn density. Users appreciate its resilience to heavy foot traffic and its long-lasting green color, making it a reliable choice for a low maintenance. List 5. This product is listed again because of its effectiveness in small patch repair. The Easy Seed Patch and Repair combines grass seed, mulch, and fertilizer for instant lawn rejuvenation. Designed for both sun and shade, it's versatile and easy to use for spot treatments. The protective mulch helps retain moisture and protects seeds from birds or erosion, ensuring optimal germination. With fast results and minimal effort, it's perfect for homeowners looking to quickly fill in bare spots and maintain a consistently green lawn throughout the season. It's especially effective when paired with regular watering and proper overseeding timing.